Premaire air conditioner reset button? The reset button is a safety feature that is designed to protect your air conditioning unit. If the unit detects an issue, it will automatically shut down to prevent any further damage. This is where the reset button comes in handy. By pressing it, you're giving the unit a chance to restart and hopefully fix the issue. Before you hit the reset button, it's essential to check a few things. The first thing you should check is the air filter. A dirty air filter can cause your air conditioner to stop working correctly. If the filter is dirty, replace it, and then try pressing the reset button. But in many cases, pressing the reset button can save you from an unnecessary call to the repairman. The second thing you should check is the thermostat. If the thermostat is set incorrectly, your air conditioner may not be working correctly. Now, turn your air conditioner back on and see if it's working correctly.